Hey, nice you're watching this video. This video is about the Embedded Systems Engineering at the Han University of Applied Sciences in Arnhem, the Netherlands. And by the way, Embedded Systems Engineering is abbreviated to ESE. In your first year, you will learn more about electronics, math, programming and microcontrollers. You'll be part of interesting projects like developing an autonomous vehicle and developing a climate control for anything which is interesting and making a coffee machine more user-friendly. I'll now bring you on to Hugo, who will explain you a bit about what is embedded systems really.
Yes, Paul, thank you very much. Embedded systems are used to create smarter products, and these embedded systems are built into existing or new products, giving them more functionality. Here is an example of such an embedded system where sensors are used to measure the temperature, and the embedded system, the microcomputer in there, is used to control and visualize the data on a nice dashboard, on a nice display. So you're one of our new embedded systems engineering students, and you're working on the semester 1 project. So can you tell us about this project?
So this is our robotic car, and this car has to drive through multiple modes.
I see it's fully packed with sensors and actuators. Is it already working as a whole?
Partly. So all the separate modes are all working, but we now have to put everything together. So it's,
And that's what you're doing right now here?
Yeah, indeed.
In the first year, you'll become a member of a learning team. That's a group of 6 to 8 students who work together. We get together every week, 1.5 hours. You get a learning team coach who helps you to get along with your education.
In the second year, the students will start with professional skills, with classes on, for example, operating systems. And security is also a really important part of the classes that the embedded systems students will have. Because security is relevant all over us, and embedded systems students have to be aware of that from the very beginning.
This is the Robot Baby Patient Simulator project. It's a project that involves wireless communication with Android or iOS device. So we're using it to receive, for example, compression data. So when we compress it, the data will be sent to a Android device, which then shows it in graphs, so the students can learn from that.
In your 4th and final year, you will choose a minor. And in a minor, you can specialize your education. You can choose any kind of specialization, from embedded vision and machine learning, a power minor, or educational minor. Here we will visit the embedded vision and machine learning minor.
Yeah, we're working on a pool table right now that will be assisting players playing pool. The setup isn't done yet, we are working on it, and the setup will contain a beamer and a camera that will be up in the air from the ceiling. The camera will detect the player and the white ball. With the beamer, it will project a line on the pool table to assist the player.
So visit our website. We'd love to welcome you at our University of Applied Sciences here in Arnhem. Thank you.